Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm Pratibha and welcome to my channel. Recently, I have been sharing too many DIYs for face and hair, but along with this, there is something more important which we need to take care of, and that is our body. If our body looks dull, then eventually our face also starts looking dull. And one of the very important way to look after our body is via body polishing. So today's remedy will give that natural glow to your body. And guys, please watch this video till the end to get maximum results out of this. Because once we apply this scrub, the most important part is how to remove it. So keep watching. First we need is wheat flour. If you don't have wheat flour, then substitute is corn flour. I'm just polishing my hand, so I have two big spoons of wheat flour. For whole body, you will need at least 4 to 5 spoons of wheat flour. Wheat flour removes any signs of sun damage, removes all dead skin cells and gives you soft and supple skin. Next, I have used 1 spoon of orange peel powder. I have used Davy's Finest orange peel powder, link is in description box. You can use any orange powder you get. It is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. It has anti-aging properties and also brightens our skin. If you don't have orange peel powder, use half a lemon juice. Then 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Substitute is coconut oil. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and anti-aging properties. For centuries, extra virgin olive oil has been used to relieve all skin ailments. I'm using this Newman's extra virgin olive oil. Now mixing all this together and then add 2 spoons of curd or yogurt to bind all this together and make a thick paste. Before applying the pack, just wash your hands with hot water and wipe it. This will open up all the pores. And now we'll start applying the pack. Body polishing not only softens and moisturizes the skin, but it also smooths and exfoliates the skin by removing the dead cells from them. The most important thing to remember while polishing is not the amount of pressure you put to rub the scrub on your skin, but to follow a circular motion while removing the pack. Now, when it is semi-dry, we will remove it. It just takes 3 to 4 minutes to semi-dry once applied. So take lukewarm water or cold water and follow a circular motion while removing the pack. Never use hot water to remove the pack. This step is very important in body polishing because this will remove all the dead skin cells, blackheads and tanning from your skin. So apply water in small quantities and rub it in circular motion and remove it. And never use hot water or soap for removing this pack. Rub vigorously and massage across and into your skin and then rinse it off to reveal a moisturized layer of fresh, clean and smooth skin. Then use any moisturizer you use. Do this every alternate day or at least 2 times a week for that naturally glowing skin. Now give a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in more such videos. And thank you for watching. Bye and take care.